Right, hi guys, it's me and my niece Lila Ray, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be jumping on her sister and be like, wake up, wake up, wake up, there's a fire alarm. Yeah, so we're going to do that. We're going to be like, get out the fire quickly, it's a fire alarm. And she's going to freak out so much. Because one time, yeah, I tricked her saying, oh, there's a fire. And she ran out in the rain. And I got in a bit trouble, so yeah, and then basically I tricked her, didn't I? I tricked you one time, and her sister made her cry, and then yeah. Right, let's get started. She's up. She's sleepwalking. Never wake up, sleepwalk.
Now, what's your favorite Katy Perry song? My Daddy.
Right, come then.
Well, this is just insane.
Right, go jump on there. Ready? 3. Wait. 3.
If anybody could just tell me. Okay, who do you think?
Wake up! There's a fire alarm! There's a fire alarm! Quickly, get out of the house! Go quickly, run out the front door! Quickly! Go back to sleep. Right, so guys, we just did it. Shh. You stay there. Stay there. Right, that's good, isn't it? Did you guys, they got there again. They've done it before, like last week they did it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Give it a big thumbs up and like and subscribe down below. And we'll see you next week video. Yeah, we'll do another video. Bye. On me. Bye. Bye guys. Oh, be tuned. Bye.